This is Lana from Peppa Pig. This is Peppa Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
Peppa Pig. Hiccups. Hiccups.
Peppa, George, Mummy and Daddy, Mummy and Daddy, Peppa, George, Peppa, Peppa, George, 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 Mummy and Daddy, Peppa, 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 George, Mummy and Daddy.
When you finish your breakfast.
George, don't drink your juice too quickly. George, don't drink your juice too quickly. George, don't drink your juice too quickly. Too quickly.
Bruh. George drank his juice too quickly, and now he has hiccups.
Can we go out the now, Bobby?
Not while George has cups. Not while George has hiccups.
Haven't they, George?
Oh, all right. You can go out and...
I'm gonna throw the ball. George, please stop hiccuping. George! Now you throw the ball to me.
George!
I know how to cure cups. You have to do what I say.
You must play so roughly with George. George, if you drink too quickly, you will get...
Really bad farts.
I'm not as little as George.